Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you Dazzle Instant Teeth Whitening Kit with 24 blue LED light. Now with this AGARO Instant Teeth Whitener you can get whiter teeth within 7 days if used daily for 10 minutes. The device removes teeth surface stains of coffee, smoking, tobacco. You can see visible results after 3 to 4 use. It comes with a 14 strips and a device with 24 blue LED lights which removes deep stains from the teeth for a whiter and cleaner teeth. Its food grade, flexible and non-slip strips are safe for enamels and custom fits to your teeth perfectly. It has a rechargeable battery which provides 100 minutes of cordless use. To use it, you need to place the teeth whitening strip on your teeth, then place the 24 LED light device above the strip. Switch on the device. Use for 10 minutes. You need to make sure the smaller strip will go on your lower teeth and the bigger one will go on your upper teeth. Make sure the teeth are fully covered in the strip and then you need to put the device. The box has a user manual, warranty card and a color grade strip through which you can see how yellow or white your teeth are. AGARO has really life-saving and useful products for daily life. I am in love with this product. All the product details and product purchase link I'll mention in the description box, so don't forget to check it. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the brand new one. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.